Hello and welcome to Ancient Therapy Co, the Tealights tutorial. In today's tutorial we'll be teaching you how to make scented as well as dyed tea lights. A few items you're probably going to need are tea light holders and wicks, some candle wax as well as a heat-proof jar and pan to melt them in. You may also need some fragrance or essential oils as well as some dye, along with something suitable to stir the wax. To begin, attach your wicks to the bottom of the tea light containers. Heat a small amount of water in a saucepan and melt the wax. Add the dye and stir until you get an even colour. Once the wax has cooled, you can add the fragrance oil or essential oils and the wax is ready to pour. In this video we used 100 grams of wax, we used flake dye in the colour of violet, we used pre-tab wicks especially for tea lights, we also used 8 millilitres of lavender essential oil, which was just enough for 8 tea lights. Do note the difference in colour between hot wax and cool wax. For the written step-by-step guide on this tutorial, please visit the website.